You will love the features of this 2017 Subaru Outback. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.